Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the keyboard type because the removal method differs. Most mechanical boards need a keycap puller. Use a keycap puller and small flat tool. You want isopropyl and a microfiber nearby for cleaning. Power off the keyboard and take a quick photo of the stabilizer orientation so you can reassemble correctly. Gently pull the spacebar keycap straight up. If it resists, wiggle half an inch and retry to prevent breaking the stems. This protects clips and stabilizers. Once the keycap is off, inspect where the warp is, the keycap itself or the stabilizer bar. If the plastic is warped, apply controlled heat. A hairdryer on medium, keeping it 2-3 inches away, heat for 20 to 40 seconds in short intervals while turning the cap. Then, place it on a flat surface and press evenly with a flat block or ruler to reshape. Hold until cool so the plastic sets. If stabilizers are bent, straighten them carefully with pliers and relubricate. You reinstall the stabilizer and keycap by aligning the clips and snapping them gently into place. Make sure both sides engage evenly. Once reattached, test the travel and sound with several presses. Listen for rattles and check for even return. If it still tilts, remove and reheat the cap for a slightly longer interval or adjust the stabilizer height and lubrication. If problems persist, replacement of the cap or stabilizer is the only way forward.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.